Hi friends, this video shows how to restart this phone without using power and volume up buttons. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select additional settings, go to accessibility, tap on accessibility menu. We have to enable this option, accessibility menu shortcut. Tap here, tap on allow, tap on OK. Done. So now we can see this accessibility menu shortcut. Just close this window. Then using this accessibility menu shortcut, we can restart this phone. Just tap on this accessibility menu shortcut, tap on power. So now we get these options, restart and power off. If you want to restart, just move this white circle to restart. If you want to power off, move this white circle to power off. So this way we can restart or power off this mobile phone without using power and volume up buttons. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.